students, welcome to Flip Classroom. This is Manisha here, and today I am going to discuss your second lesson from your textbook. It's named Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. So this lesson is basically an autobiography. Now before going into the lesson, I want you to know the meaning of autobiography. What does autobiography mean? Auto means self. Biography means the story of one's own life written by the person himself. So Satya Satya Hokol autobiography mane hoise atmajiboni. Auto nijor self biography nijor jibonar kahini nije likhise. So a autobiography khonor naam asile Long Walk to Freedom. And this lesson tumalukor ei party Mandela autobiography pora lua hoise. So, before going into the lesson, just because it is all about Nelson Mandela, moi tumalukok Nelson Mandela bikhoy okoman eta somo introduction diboloi bisarisu. Nelson Mandela. Kintu Nelson Mandela logot aru ejon manuhor naam khub utoputo bhabe jorito hoi ase, jitur bikhoy nokua koi ei lesson tu ekebare incomplete hobo. Children, I know that all of you are very familiar with the name of the person, Mahatma Gandhi. So, Satya Satya Hokol tumaluke sobe jana je Mahatma Gandhi amar Rashtror Pita boli mana hoy. He is regarded as the father of the nation. And I, being an Indian, I am very proud to always speak about Mahatma Gandhi. Ite Mahatma Gandhi Mandela logot ki relation hobo pare. Janeke Mahatma Gandhi was the father of the Indian nation. Mahatma Gandhi had a very strong impact, a very strong influence on Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela's principles all were based on the principles of Mahatma Gandhi, his principles of non-violence, that is, ohinkar jitu protha, ohinkar jitu niti Mahatma Gandhi loisile. On the basis of that, there is a struggle arambho korisile. Nelson Mandela is regarded as the father of the nation of his own country. And Mahatma Gandhi was regarded, that is very important, just because Mahatma Gandhi was the sole inspiration to Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi was regarded as the grandfather of South Africa. Aru, just because Mandela Mahatma Gandhi principles are upor solisile, that is why it is very important je Bharator karone Mahatma Gandhi ji hoy, South Africa karone Nelson Mandela has the same position there. So, tumaloke ekhinite gom paisa je moi Mahatma Gandhi naam tu kele koisu. Next, what did Mandela do? Mandela ki korisile baru? So, he had a very long struggle. Teo nijor jibon homorpon kori disile for what? To uproot the inhuman practice of apartheid. Satya Satya Hokol tumaluke tumalokor paithopoti jetia meliba tumaluke dekhiba the very first word before you read apartheid. Now what is apartheid? It is a very new term. So apartheid hoise eta political system, eta rajnotik bebosta under which the blacks and the whites were segregated. Boga aru kola salor manukhini prithok kora hoisile. So your meaning to hoise the state of being separate. Mane prithok kora, separateness, or in African language it is also called as apartheid. Apartheid, tamane separate koi rakha. So it was a very inhuman practice where the blacks, on the basis of the color and race, and they were deprived of all those privileges which every human being deserves being a human. So in the very first line, tumalokor definition to dia ase, apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Race or uporat bhitti kori yota prithok kori rakha hoisile. And to oust out, to uproot this political system, Mandela tetiar pora he had his consciousness, he could understand what was going on in the society. He started fighting for not only his rights but also for the rights of every human being of his own country. And for that particular reason, he was against the state, the political system, so he was in prison. Aru tumalokor kitapot tumaloke paba that he had to be in the prison for almost 3 decades, tamane 30 বছর. Here in your book it is given he spent 30 years, but in actual it is from 1962 to 1990, 27 বছর, 27 long years he was in prison. He was released in the year 1990, 1990 চনত তেওঁ ৰিলিজ কৰা হৈছে আৰু 1993 চনত he was conferred Nobel Peace Prize. আৰু যেটো তেওঁ অকলে শেয়াৰ কৰতে অকলে লোৱা নাই, he shared the Nobel Peace Prize with another one, that is William D. Clark. তেওঁৰ লগত শেয়াৰ কৰিছে, and this was given on the basis of their efforts, হিহঁতৰ যেটো প্ৰচেষ্টা আছিলে, that to oust out this inhuman practice, the termination, peaceful termination, খুব শান্তিপূৰ্ণভাৱে এই প্ৰেক্টিছটো. So Nelson Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1993, which he shared with one Mr. William D. Clark for the peaceful termination of apartheid and for laying the foundation of democratic South Africa. So tetiar pra South Africa গণতান্ত্রিক রাজ স্থাপন করা হয়েছে. So by now you have got a slight idea about what is apartheid and what was Mandela's struggle, how did he fight against this inhuman practice. So in the year 1994, first democratic elections were elected freely and without any problems. On the 10th of May 1994, he was to be installed as the first black president of South Africa. Aru satro sati hokol tumalokor paithopoti tumaloke dekhiba, there is given a newspaper clipping which I am going to read it out to you. Nelson Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. 300 বছৰ বগা শাসনৰ পিছত Mandela's African National Congress, ANC party, won 252 out of 400 seats in the first democratic elections of South Africa's history. So keita seat paise out of 400. Total seats were 400. Sarikhon pora kiman paise 252 seats pai pelai ANC, African National Congress election mane nirbachonot joy hoise 252 seat. The inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Buildings Amphitheatre in Pretoria today, attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries around the world. Never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another, said Mandela in his address. So Mandela, their নিজৰ এড্ৰেছত সম্বৰ্ধনা ভাষণত তেওঁ কৈছে যে আৰু কেতিয়াও যাতে এই ধুনীয়া ভূমি, তেওঁলোকৰ ধুনীয়া ৰাজ্যখন, দেশখন কেতিয়াও আৰু সুখনত ভুগিবলগীয়া নহয়. Jubilant scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites and coloreds celebrating together. More than 1 lakh South African men, women and children of all races sang and danced with joy. So beleg rongor manhu, boga manhu, kola manhu and rongin coloreds celebrating together. Ekeloge ahise celebrate koribo kihok loi pelai to install Mandela as the first black president of their country. Now children, let's go into the text. Thank me, dawn bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil. So 10th May, it was very bright and clear. Aru, for the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged তেওঁক সবে আগৰি ধৰিছিলে কোন the dignitaries and world leaders বেলেগ বেলেগ দেশৰ পৰা 140 খন দেশৰ পৰা they came to pay their respects for the inauguration of Nelson Mandela. And this inauguration would be the largest gathering, মানে আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ গ্যাদাৰিং হ'ব মানুহৰ জনসাধাৰণ মানুহৰ লগতে ইন্টাৰনেশ্যনেল অন্তৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় ভিত্তিক লিডাৰ্স আহিব to South Africa. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. আৰু এই ceremonies এই কাৰ্যসূচী ক'ত কৰা হৈছে in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. Pretoria is one of the famous cities of South Africa. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy. For decades মানে বহুত দশক ধৰি এই ৰাজ্যটো এই দেশখনত মানে বগা সালৰ মানুহে ৰাজত্ব কৰি আছিলে and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different colors আৰু এতিয়া কৈছে যে it was the site of rainbow gathering মানে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ মানুহ from all races of all genders and of all colors they came together to this country to install the world's first black president. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zinani. On that very day, Hedinakhon, মোৰ লগত মোৰ ছোৱালী Zinani আহিছিলে এই ফাংশনটো এটেন্ড কৰিবলৈ সো তেওঁ ইয়াতে এটা খুব ধুনীয়া ওয়ার্ড ইউজ কৰিছে on that lovely autumn day. So lovely autumn day যেতিয়া আমি it is 10th May. So তাৰিখটো তোমালোকে মনত ৰাখিবা it is 10th May. So আমাৰ কাৰণে মে বুলি ক'লে autumn নহয়. So if you know that the globe is divided into two, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. South Africa lies in the extreme southern hemisphere of the globe. So that is why May from February up to April last or May they have the season named autumn. Aru northern hemisphere we have it in the month of October and November. So that is why there was a autumn day. Yata aru eta karon ase. So this autumn word is also used as a metaphor. Yata the autumn day boli etu kane koise because autumn is characterized by newness, notunotto and fullness. Aru hidinakhon South Africar soil, South Africar bhumi bibhi bahut dhoroner manu ahisile. International leaders and dignitaries from many countries, as many as 140 countries ahisile. So it was full and people from different colors. So South Africa autumn season it's a season of color. Rong birongor gos gosoli pat flowers, many different colors bloom and it is one of the most beautiful season of the country. So hetu karone teo yate duta meaning loi bujabo khujise. So we can interpret it in that way because it was full of different colors of people coming from many different countries. So that is why he mentions 10th May as autumn day. On the podium, Mr. De Klerk was first sworn in as second deputy president. So prothomote Mr. De Klerk second deputy president hisabe teo শপত গ্ৰহণ কৰিছে. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president. Tar pisot Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as the first deputy president. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people. Aru jetia mur pala sile moi শপত গ্ৰহণ কৰিব লাগিব তেতিয়া মই প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিলো মই শপত গ্ৰহণ কৰিছিলো যে I will uphold the constitution মোৰ নিজৰ যিখন ৰাষ্ট্ৰ আছে সংবিধানখন মই uphold কৰিম I will obey and I will devote myself মই নিজকে সমৰ্পণ কৰি দিম to the well-being of the republic and its people মোৰ দেশৰ মানুহখিনিৰ কাৰণে মই সমৰ্পণ কৰি দিম. To the assembled guests and the watching world I say. So here I will read down the particular speech which is given here in short. Sato sati hokol moi yate tumalokok eta kotha kobo bisarisu je tumaloke jodi if you are interested you can go to YouTube And if you want to listen to the original speech of Nelson Mandela, tomaloke YouTube type koriba Nelson Mandela 1994 speech. If you want to listen, you can get to listen to the entire speech. Almost 8-9 minute or eta speech there. This is it. So here there is only a gist is given. Today, all of us do, by our presence here, confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. So aji amar presence আমি যে ইয়াতে উপস্থিত আমাৰ উপস্থিতি আমি তো বুজাবো কৰিছো that this is a newborn liberty নতুনকে আমি স্বাধীনতা আমি পাইছো out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted too long must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. So tell ki koise out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster ki koise je amar jitu obhigota hol eta অসাধারণ মানব দুর্যোগ এটা মানব দুর্যোগ কোনটো কৈছে দিস apartheid this political system যেটোৱে কি কৰিছিলে শোষণ কৰি লৈছিলে কাক লৈছিলে the people of another race by the white people. It was the reign of white supremacy. Boga manukhini the black people of South Africa, they were being exploited. খুব বেছিকে এক্সপ্লইট কৰিছিলে আৰু হেতু তেও কি কৈছে extraordinary human disaster and that lasted too long বহুত দীৰ্ঘদিন ধৰি কিন্তু এই প্ৰথা চলি থাকিলে সাউথ আফ্ৰিকা আৰু হে যে দুৰ্যোগৰ পিছত নতুন এটা সমাজ গঢ় ল'ব আৰু যিটোক লৈ পেলাই সৰ্বস্ব মানৱ জাতি প্ৰাউড গৌৰৱান্বিত ফিল কৰিব পৰাকে We who were outlaws not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. So ami who were outlaws mane amak bohiragoto kori thodisil. So ami bahut din agoloke kintu ami outlaws hoye asilu kintu ajir dinakhon amak ki dise eta rare privilege amak dise that we will be the host to the nations of the world amar nijor bhumi ami host home. So I thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is after all a common victory for justice, for peace and for human dignity. So tell ki koise yate je moi hokoloke kritogyo janabo bisarisu to all those dignitaries and those distinguished international people who came to take part ajir dinakhon amar logot ei অদ্ভুত এই মুহূৰ্তটো অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিবলৈ আহিছে আৰু যেটো তেওঁ কৈছে যে that it was a common victory for justice ন্যায় এটা জয় হৈছে শান্তিৰ জয় and for human dignity মানৱ মৰ্যাদা এটা জয় হৈছে সকলোৰে তে অকল নিজৰ দেশৰ মানুহ বুলি কোৱা নাই this is a victory for all humanity. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. So একেবারে হেকত অবহেকত আমি কি পাইছো we have achieved our political emancipation মানে আমি আমাৰ ৰাজনৈতিক মুক্তি বিচাৰি পাইছো আমি সংগ্ৰাম কৰিছিলো আৰু তাৰ বিনিময়ত আমি we are emancipated from that bondage from that slavery. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. So at last মই প্লেজ কৰিছো মই প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি লৈছো to liberate all our people যাতে মই মোৰ সকলো মানুহখিনি মুক্তি দিব পাৰো from continuing bondage of poverty মানে দৰিদ্ৰতাৰ কবলৰ পৰা মই মুক্তি দিয়াব পাৰো from deprivation বঞ্চিত কৰি ৰখাৰ পৰা মই হিয়তক মুক্তি দিয়াব পাৰো from suffering মানে দুখ কষ্ট gender লিংগ বৈষম্য আৰু বেলেগ বহুত বৈষম্য ডিসক্ৰিমিনেশনৰ পৰা মই যাতে মোৰ দেশৰ মানুহখিনিক মই মুক্তি দিয়াব পাৰো মই হেতুৰ কাৰণে আজিৰ পৰা মই প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি লৈছো that I will help my country free from all these bondages. Never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. So কৈছে যে আৰু কেতিয়াও যাতে এই ধুনিয়া পৃথিৱীখন আমাৰ ধুনিয়া দেশখন যাতে কেতিয়াও আৰু শোষণৰ কবলত নপৰে. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Jate সূৰ্য কেতিয়া অস্ত নহয়. So সূৰ্য কেতিয়া অস্ত নহয় বুলি ক'লে do not take it in the physical meaning. সূৰ্য ৰাতিপুৱা উদয় হ'লে সূৰ্য অস্ত হ'ব, কিন্তু ইয়াতে তেওঁ এটা মেটাফৰ হিচাপে ইউজ কৰিছে যে কেতিয়াও এই ধুনীয়া দেশখনত যাতে কেতিয়াও আকৌ বেয়া দিন, the darkness of bad days will never come on so glorious a human achievement. এটা যে মানৱৰ যিটো achievement আমি কিবা এটা পালো হেতুৰ ওপৰত যাতে আকৌ কেতিয়াও কলাছা পৰি নাযায়. Let freedom reign. God bless Africa. So তেওঁ এইখিনি কৈ পেলাই তেওঁ ভাষণ সামৰণি মাৰিছে. So students, by now you have at least you have got to understand the philosophy of Mandela. Mandela's philosophy তোমালোকে অলপমান হলেও বুজি পাইছা. So I will wrap up my class here today. The next class I will start with the second part of the lesson. Thank you.